Inner Journeys, Part 9. Question. So, language is just a communication tool, not a boundary for our thinking. We can have thoughts we can't express precisely in words, but that doesn't mean they don't exist. Do you think language can still influence how we perceive reality? For instance, could different languages shape different ways of thinking about the world? Answer. I believe that regardless of the language, we can express the same thing. And that, to me, means it's not language that limits us. It's our imagination, which is part of our consciousness. So what we can grasp depends not on the words we use, but on the limits of our imagination. This suggests that if we encounter limits in our thinking, we should look for them in our consciousness, not in the structure of language. Question. Do you think imagination has its limits? Or is it, in a sense, unlimited, with the barriers coming only from us? Answer. As humanity, we don't impose any barriers on ourselves. We haven't been limited by them from the very beginning. Question. Can consciousness survive physical death? Answer. In my opinion, this is obvious. Our consciousness is an independent entity, although for the time between birth and physical death, it is assigned to an individual existence. After the end of material life, it continues its existence in an unchanged form, outside the body. I wonder whether consciousness is the same as the soul, or whether it contains the soul within it. To be honest, it's difficult for me to distinguish between the characteristics of these two concepts. It's also worth noting that various philosophies and religions may have different definitions of these terms, which makes the topic even more multi-layered.